Alright, so we're actually going out to SM Bikutan for some groceries. That's all we're going to buy. I don't know, look around. So look. So, it's a very nice place here. Ayan, pababa. Alright, so we're gonna go out first. We're gonna walk to SM Bikutan. Let's go. So yung going to SM Bikutan is we will be going out. I'm not sure. May kasi pag naglalakad kasi tayo, dapat mag-taxi. Eh syempre, nasa gilid lang tayo, diba? So we're gonna go down the stairs. Diba? Baby Mark is a bit scared because it's his first time here. Diba? Relax, baby, relax. Oh, papunta tayo sa ano ha, sa SM Bikutan, going there. Mas maganda mag-taxi lang tayo. Ha? Honey, taxi tayo. Ha? Nako. Eh, delikado nga oh. May mga bata pa oh. Okay, baby. Alright, so we'll walk going to SM Bikutan. Oh, dapat maging ano, may pairs kayo. Dapat may pairs kasi ano, delikado palabas. So we'll go first to SM Bikutan muna, guys. Let's go. Or here, we can just buy here at the pit stop. There's a pit stop over here, but it's I think closed. Oh, it's open. Huh? Yes, baby. Relax, baby. Okay, relax. Don't be scared, okay? So our floor, it's this side. Pero grabe, oh my goodness, man. Oh, we can actually just stay here. Diba? There's like an ice cream, larde, convenience store. Diba? Pero much better kasi we go to SM Bikutan muna. Kasi mas maganda yung ano, mga pagkain doon. Diba? Malinis. But I'm not sure if we can vlog, guys. So let's just see what will happen. Oy, 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 oy! Delikado! May mga kotse dumadaan dito, oh.
Video ka?
Oh, you know. Whoops! Tandaan ha, may mga kotse dadaan. So yun. Diretso natin dito, lalabas sa kanan. Maldives Mau parking. Wow.
But this baby.
Uy! Doon mo na kayo no? Delikado pag kayong dalawa lang nandyan. Baka bigla may kotse. Wow, look at these condos, guys. So cute. Oops, wait. Someone's car is in front of us. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Ow. It's okay, baby. Then we'll go out through here, the gates. So we're gonna go outside the gate right. But we'll go out to the gate right now. Para we'll go to SM Bikutan. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go out. I think we need a pass for this. No? Wow, look at the sunset, baby. Alright, so we're actually walking towards SM Bikutan. Came out of the Azure place. Alright, we're gonna walk now. Hold on. Too many people. Stand by. Careful there, truckie. Sian Innova. What's up? Uy, antayin natin sila. Baka ano, delikado dito. Sabay na lang kayo doon. Delikado dito eh. Alright. So, told them to stay with them because it's very delicado here. So, si Baby Mark is medyo frightened. Si Baby Mark kasi is a bit frightened. Yun naman, di ba? First time niya dito, so we're bringing him right now but he can get used to it, diba? Shit. What happened? Oh, there's some chips here, but ha? Eh, wala akong pera. Uy, dapat ano, sabay lang kayo doon. Delikado dito eh. Baka, ha? Eh, baka mahanapin kayo ni Myla. Haha. Okay, so what are you guys doing, man? Come on. Ito. Where's the baby? Alright, so Antox is here behind us. Ikutan SM is right here, so alright, so there's like a store over here, we can go through it. Ayan. Okay ka lang, JP? Ingat ka lang. Alright, so we're actually going to SM Ikutan right now. This is the mall in front of us. Let's go. So we will be going to the supermarket. We're gonna go check out some stuff. Let's go. Still renovated. Alright, so we will go straight first. So you can see traffic updates. Innova. So our best way is we have to cross. But how? We have to go up the stairs. Make the way. Wait lang. Yeah, we have to cross it. Yung supermarket. I'm not sure kung meron dito. Meron natin dito. Wait lang, saan? Okay, so we're going up right now. So we have a lot of stores here. Ooh, wow. Cybertech Gaming. Second floor, yes. Oops. Good.